The Epson SureColor F170 sublimation printer is an incredible desktop sublimation solution for everyone from crafters and hobbyists to small businesses and pro print shops. Let's take a look at the huge feature set that's packed into this powerhouse. At the heart of this machine is Epson's state-of-the-art PrecisionCore printhead, which uses variable-sized droplet technology to deliver maximum clarity and image sharpness. You can count on genuine Epson inks to deliver faithful image reproduction with the beautiful color saturation and contrast that sublimation is famous for. Speaking of ink, your F170 comes with the full CMYK set of ink in high-capacity 140 milliliter bottles, which extends time between ink refills, slashes your cost per print, and boosts your profitability. Also included are a full pack of sublimation paper, power cable, and free print driver download, so you're ready for production within minutes of unboxing. The F170 connects via USB, Ethernet, or integrated wireless system and has available drivers for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Though compact, it has a maximum print size of 8.5 inches wide by up to a massive 47.2 inches long, so it has no trouble with letter, legal, and smaller mug-sized sheets. The high-capacity paper tray holds up to 150 sheets of sublimation paper. Best of all, the Epson F170 sublimation printer is backed by the top names in the industry, Epson and Heat Press Nation. You'll enjoy 1 year of world-class Epson coverage and free lifetime technical support from Heat Press Nation. The Epson F170 is perfect for customizing coffee mugs, keychains, photo panels, mouse pads, holiday ornaments, and a near endless variety of other sublimation blanks. You can get more information and order your Epson SureColor F170 desktop sublimation printer today at heatpressnation.com.